Hi, and welcome to my first stocking video. It's October 1st, and I thought it would be fun to show you guys some of the things that I got last month. So this is more of a collective haul of the things that I'm obsessed and loving as of the moment. So come with me and let's get straight to the video. Disclaimer, this is my first stocking video, so bear with me and I hope you guys enjoy what I'll be creating. So the first thing I got is a bag hook. Diba? Napaka-random. Story time, siguro no August. Last week of August, nagmamas kami and yung katabi namin sa mas, naglabas siya ng bag hook, which was very 2000s. And then, naisip ko na kailangan ko din kasi usually, nilalagay ko yung bag ko sa tabi ko, sa upuan, at nalalaglag siya or on top of the table. I want it to be more secure and closer to me, lalo na pag lumalabas, kumakain, pupunta ng cafes. So, I decided to get a bag hook from The Lobe. Very nicely made. It's made out of clay na may pinatungan ng resin. It's hand-painted. And dalawang function niya. Una, of course, bag hook. And pangalawa is, it's a mirror. Para sa mga mag-retouch ng makeup. I really love it and I've been using it for the whole month of September kasi may maliit ako na bag and it's a very light colored bag, so iniingatan ko. And this helps. It's such a nice design pati. Marami silang design, but I chose this white and pink design. And next time, on November, when their new collection is out, I'll get collapsible one. Kasi medyo it's taking a big space sa loob ng bag ko, lalo na sa small bags ko. Okay. Yun lang. The next piece, it's this colored cardigan in cream. I got this on sale sa H&M. Dati siyang 1,490. I got this for 1,000. More specifically, 999. It's made out of 54% polyester. I don't know, ayoko na mag-math. Basta acrylic and 3% wool. It's nice. I never had a colored one before. And I thought it would be so beautiful and parang staple na sa aking wardrobe. And it's the last piece. Kasi meron dun black tsaka gray. Last piece na to. I'm glad I got it. So who's been obsessed with polka dots lately? I don't know, I've been obsessed with that pattern for almost a month now or 2 months now. Pero hindi naman ako yung super obsessed na I'll buy a lot of polka dot tops. No. I only got one polka dot top and this polka dot. It's not a top, but it's a jacket. I think it's an imitation of a brand sa Europe. I forgot the brand, pero I'll just insert the name here once I found it. I really like the structure of this jacket. I've never had this kind of structure before. I really like the... Anong tawag dito? Basta yung ganyan siya. Double closure siya. Meron siyang zipper. Zipper closure. Anong tawag dito? Alligator closure. And this type of closure. Anyway, pero I really like it. I used it once pa lang. And like, I can do a lot of styles with this. I can just wear it as is, or pwede akong maglagay ng something inside. Like, I'll insert a photo of how I styled it here. And it's made out of cotton, if you like. Oh wow. It's made out of 72% cotton and kayo na mag-math, the rest ay polyester. Binili ko pala to guys. Kasi, meron akong barn jacket na uso ngayon, nandun sa Uniqlo. I don't want to get another one. I really like the barn jacket. Ganda ng details. And hindi ko na siya sadly, I can't find it online anymore. And I can't find it here sa house. And I used that last year. And ngayon, uso na naman yung mga barn jacket. Okay. Next are these nice athletic boy shorts that I got from Sports Central sale. Nagkaroon kasi sila ng 4-day sale ata sa Mega Mall, sa Mega Hall. It's still expensive, but alam mo yun, I don't wanna buy something na above 1,000. So this is 900. And ang ganda niya kasi I'm into pastel yellow ba? But basta butter yellow or pastel yellow recently. And I never had, gusto ko sanang try yung style na eto, tsaka a dainty top, a girly top. So why not? These are my first athletic boy shorts. It's still expensive, but pang matagal na to. And I like how the pockets ay meron mga zipper. And ganito pala yung loob. Bakit ko nasabing boy shorts? Kasi usually gato yung mga pang basketball shorts, diba? Ayan. Ang ganda niya. Kasi nakita ko yung ale, hawak niya to. Kala ko, namalikmata ako. Kala ko, yung perfect combination ng brown and yellow. Yung pala, brown and black. Nonetheless, maganda pa rin siya. And it's gonna be a staple in my wardrobe. Staple ba? Tama ba yung say? Basta, maganda siya. Okay, next are 2 pieces from a local brand called Shop Nita. I saw them sa Spectrum Fair. I believe na it was their anniversary. So, I dropped by and I'm glad that they were there. I didn't know they were there. And I got very nice pieces from them. Let me just cut this. So first is this linen midi skirt. I have been looking for this kind of brown skirt for a whole year now. Hindi kasi ako makapag-ukay. And I'm just so happy I saw this sa kanila. I believe that their patterns are made by their mother. These are, ang nagme-manage ata are the 2 sisters. And I'm so happy when I saw this. By the way, dalawang lining siya. Maganda ang pagkagawa nila. Hindi yung basta-basta. Dalawang lining siya. May dalawang pockets. Functional pockets. These are what I want. And then, I'm happy that it's light brown. I love the color. It's 100% linen. And I love the contrast stitch. And, wala. Happy ako. And I can't wait to wear them and style them soon. So, ito lang yung unang binili ko. Tapos naisip ko, because of the boy athletic or the men athletic shorts that I got, I wanted to try this certain style. And then I saw sa mannequin nila, sa pop-up nila, this beautiful baby doll top. I've never had this before. I've never reached for this kind of style. But because of those shorts, why not, diba? Ang ganda. Kasi, parang lilipad. No, maganda kasi. It's made up 100% cotton. And they're a local brand. Support locals. Maganda siya. Maganda ang fitting niya sa akin. So, I hope you guys check out their web page. I hope you guys check out their social media. Marami pa silang ibang magagandang timeless pieces. And this definitely will be part of my timeless collection staple. Anyway, So these are the 3 pieces that I got from the mall. Sa Cotton On specifically. First is this fine burgundy color. I got this sleeveless button-down top because it's fall season. Alam kong walang fall dito sa Pilipinas, pero parang I believe that I'm a deep autumn or deep winter. So bagay siya sa skin tone ko. And I just love how they're textured, and I love the buttons. It's 70% viscose, 30% polyester. Ewan. Basta hindi natural fibers. Basta I really like it, and I've never had this kind of top before. The colors suit me so much. Kung marami pa tong ibang kulay na pang deep autumn or deep winter, I'll surely get one. It's very expensive, so ayoko nang sabihin yung price. Mahal talaga siya. Pero pang matagalan naman ito. Next is my favorite skirt. I prefer skirts than mini skirts or skirts that doesn't have protective shorts because I want to be safe, girls. And I'll recommend you this skirt kasi maganda yung mga washes nila. And it's a skirt sa harap and it's a short sa likod. I have gotten the same style of skirt since last year. I have 3 pieces. This is my 3rd piece that I own ng skirt ng Cotton On. And what I love the most about this are their belt hooks or belt loops. Basta yung lalagyan ng belt. Kasi yung last year na skirt nila, wala. Medyo maluwag sa akin to kasi ang sizing nila is by toes. And it's just so perfect for thick thigh girlies. So, would recommend you guys to get this. Sumunod ay itong napaka-cute, dainty, vintagey, sleeveless plaid top that I got from Green Hills. Maganda naman yung tela niya. And I like how unique it is because of the, what do you call this? The hem. And the ribbon. And bagay na bagay siya para sa fall season. Kahit na ba walang fall sa Pilipinas, gusto ko maging in theme. Ewan ko. I just like the fall season. Anyway, it's nice. And it's only 350 pesos. Next are the pieces that I got from the Modern Market pop-up last weekend. First is this Adidas Neo Midi outdoor skirt. I love the color combination. I believe it's green-gray because it looks green and gray to me. Pero sige, gray. And pink. The combination of gray and pink are very, very close to me. Close to my heart. Anyway, I really love that it fits me so well, so good. I could pair it with a lot of things that I currently have. Maybe I'll make a styling video. Pero, yeah. It's very compact din pag tinabi mo. See? Sumunod ay etong cardigan na to. Not sure kami nung una nung binili namin to kasi sabi nung seller, original yan pero wala lang tag. Pero of course, pag walang tags, guys, know that it's not original. Pero kahit na, okay. It's a Bea cardigan ng Vivienne Westwood. Maganda siya, diba guys? Ewan ko. Nagandahan ako kasi I like the buttons. And I like how this is tight. Basta tight siya dito. And the color is very versatile naman. So, real or not, I'll still wear it. And maganda siya. Di ba maganda siya, guys? yun, gagamitin ko pa rin siya kahit di siya real. Kahit na gusto ko man maging real to, gagamitin ko pa din siya. You know. The last piece that I will show you guys is this Rare Beauty perfume travel set. Nag-launch siya last month, siguro no August. And I'm a Rare Beauty fan. And I like many things, so I'm glad I got this. Ang SRP niya online is 2,100, and I'm glad that I found a seller on the Orange app that sells basta ang markup niya is 500. Guys, ang bango. Ang sabi dito, the top notes are caramel, pistachio, pink pepper. The heart notes ay ginger, cocoa beans, vanilla, and pag dry na siya on your skin, it's more of a sandalwood, tonka beans skin musk. I really love it. And part of my Christmas or Burr wish list is the bigger size of this. Siyempre, mahal siya. Ang mahal na binibenta nila sa Orange app, 6,000. Pero nakasulat naman sa website ay 4,000. Pero oo nga naman, yung mga tax nga ay papunta dito. Wala man tayong magawa doon. Kaya I thought of putting it on my wish list. Kasi mahal pa rin siya. Ang bango niya, guys. I've been using it. Kaya medyo, kalahati na siya. And this one, itatabi ko to for forever. So, yun lang guys. These are all the things that I got last month. I know it's a lot, pero nag-work naman ako last month. And these are my rewards to myself. So, ayun lang. I hope you guys look out for yourself, make yourself happy. I know these are just things and marami pang mahalagang bagay sa buhay. Pero mahalaga din naman na sumaya kahit mga simpleng bagay lang. Just happy with the pieces that I got kasi I really like them. They're very unique to me. They're very cool. And I know that I'll be using them in the long run. So, walang talo doon. Lahat ito ay win. And lahat ito ay biyaya ni Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you at nakalabas ako at nakakapili ako. So, yun lang guys. I hope I can edit this video and maybe shoot a styling video separately. I hope I can do that, but I'm really proud of myself for doing this. This is my first talking video, and I really like watching videos like these, like fashion hauls, thrift hauls. Wala lang, it just adds happiness to my life. So, my advice is do the things that adds happiness to your life. Small man yan, big man yan. Basta happiness is happiness and it counts. So yun lang guys. See you soon.